जादुई पितारा unboxing. Wow, so many things in that box. Dolls, mathematical kit, mathematical kit, shapes, 3D shapes and beads, story books, story cards, picture cards, puzzle cards, puzzle cards, Varnamala cards, domino cards, vegetable cards, alphabet cards, animal cards, rope ladder, storybooks container. Wow, very big pictorial charts, alphabet ball, mass kit. Oh, musical things, kanjara, damarakam, small abacus, hand puppets, wonderful material. Big thanks to Samagra Shiksha.